A new year is a celebration with joy and a time to make new beginnings. Let us have a look at the interesting traditions and events associated with the celebrations on New Year's Eve in various countries of the world. In Russia, people write their wishes on a paper on New Year's Eve and burn them. After this, the ashes of the burnt paper are mixed with champagne and are drunk by the wisher. In Russia, there is a belief that the wish in this form will motivate them to achieve their goals in the coming year. In Chile, on New Year's Eve, people eat a spoonful of lentils and keep a coin at the sole of their shoes. The belief behind this is that they will receive money at every step in the new year. In Denmark, people follow a strange method of expressing love for their neighbors. They break glasses and plates on the doors in their neighborhood. Some people even stand on chairs and jump exactly at 12 o'clock on New Year's night. Here, people wear clothes with dots and keep coins in their pockets. In the Philippines, it is considered that round-shaped objects symbolize prosperity. They also eat round-shaped fruits such as orange, guava, etc. on New Year's Eve. On New Year's Eve, Germans melt the pieces of lead and throw it into water. When it takes a shape on cooling, they interpret the future by the shapes thus attained. In this way, they interpret the events of the coming year. Since the ancient times, onions have been a symbol of fertility, representing growth and rebirth. After the New Year's Day church service, the family returns home and hangs up an onion inside the house, a ritual which is very important to make sure that the new year is filled with many blessings and good luck. Also, Vasilopita is a traditional Greek cake served at the midnight on New Year's Eve. After baking the cake, a coin is inserted through the base, and when cut, the person who finds the coin is said to be granted luck for the rest of the year. Pomegranates hold great significance in the Greek culture. They are considered a sign of renewal and regeneration. The Greeks give and receive pomegranates as a sign of good luck. The ritual is to hang a pomegranate over the front door during the holiday season and keep it hanging until the new year. In Spain and other Spanish-speaking countries, there is a tradition of eating 12 grapes on the night of New Year. Here, people like to eat one grape with each bell at midnight, which signifies good luck for the coming 12 months. In Japan, New Year's Eve is celebrated by ringing bells 108 times in Buddhist temples. It is thought to dispel negative emotions and negative mentalities. Brazilians wear all white clothes on New Year's Eve to get rid of evil spirits. Some people in Brazil follow the practice of diving in the 7 waves of the sea during the first week of the new year and also throw flowers in the sea. On New Year's Eve in South Africa, people throw out old furniture, old clothes and old gadgets like TV, radio, etc. from their houses. Here, people prefer to begin the new year with new things. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like the video and subscribe to Learning Day.